Uy, ikaw pala yan. Halika, pasok ka. Itong mga ginagawa namin sa base. Okay, so ito yung mga bagay na ginagawa namin usually sa base. Lecture. Okay, maraming topic namin pinag-uusapan. At foundational sa ating buhay Kristiyano. At saka we do also outreach preparation. No? Nag-exercise kami for outreach. Dramas and skits and dance. Anything for God's glory. Yan. Also at the same time reading God's Word together as a group. At work program, practical work program together as a team. So this is what we do as a YWAM Discipleship Training School here at the Antipolo Base, February DTS. Grabe. Salamat sa pakikinig. God bless you.